वेलकम बैक। आप देख रहे हैं फोर्ट द एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी, आसमा कैसे कैसे, और बात हो रही है आज मिसेस प्रेमी से। मैम, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रोटेक्ट योर मॉम, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट breast cancer. Please tell us something about Hair for Hope. We were reading about it recently.
Actually, this is inspired by an 8-year-old boy.
8-year-old?
8-year-old
Okay.
boy
Okay.
whom I met 2 years ago because he had really long curls. And he's my nephew. So I thought it was inspired in America because, you know, American selling. So then I found out that he's actually growing his hair for cancer patients. I was really impressed because if an 8-year-old boy can do so much, then we should also do something about it. And that's why I launched Hair for Hope India. We launched it in June this year only, and the response has been immense because the first person to donate was a lady called Nisha. She is former Miss Kerala.
So anybody can donate their hair?
Anybody can donate. In fact, the latest donor is a man,
Okay.
a doctor in Dubai. He's planning to grow his hair.
Okay.
And well, we are in fact giving the second wig today. A lady, a student in Kerala.
Okay.
She is undergoing radiotherapy right now, and she can't really face a society without a wig.
True.
I mean, it's really difficult for her to go back to college without hair. So yes, today, in fact, I just donated the second wig to a student in Kerala. And it's an awesome moment, I would say.
Okay, so you need to grow your hair in a certain style.
Yes, yes. You need to grow your hair without, it should not be chemically treated.
Okay.
And it should be a ponytail. It should not be loose hair. Because what happens if it's loose, it becomes a waste. So the best thing is to plait the hair, you know, braid it, and then cut, because that will be much better.
Okay. People who are watching you right now, if they want to donate their hair, how can they contact you?
Okay, you just have to go to the Hair for Hope India page. All the instructions are there on the page. And yes, we have an address in India where they can send it directly. The only other place where they can send us in the US, where they accept 8 inches. But this goes to India. Hair for Hope India goes to India. And yes, we have done 2 wigs so far. We are working on the 3rd wig right now. So, well, if you want to support, you know, the poorer cancer patients in India, because the problem is not many people can afford a wig in India. It costs, if you ask Gulf Gate here, they'll charge 2,000 dirhams. Now that's around 30 to 40,000 bucks. Who can afford that much? In addition to the chemo cost. Sure. Chemo itself is so expensive, it runs into lakhs. So on top of it, people don't think about buying a wig, especially a wig with natural hair, because it's so expensive. And here we are making it with just waste hair, or by people who are donating it for the cause. And of course, I have Dr. Mopin's Foundation paying for the wig. That is only cost we are reimbursed. So I really need the support of the audience because we are not spending any money on promoting it. They're depending on free media coverage like this. And of course, social media. So every time, anybody can help me by just sharing their pictures on Facebook.